All right, looks like we're ready to get started. Well, first off, thank you so much for taking time out of your schedule to be on the Zoom tonight. We're excited to have you a part of our program. If you're a guest taking a look at this, I think you're going to be very excited as I go through a fairly quick presentation explaining the benefits of partnering with Bidpoint for our capital funding side of our business, one of our verticals. And just in case you don't know who I am, I'm one of the co-founders along with Monty Bertrand and Rick Moore. We have had Bidpoint now going on about 9 years, and we believe that this is the perfect vehicle right now for you or for anyone to go out there and make a good income, secondary income without having to go get a second job. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go full, actually, I'm going to share my screen and I am going to share this presentation with you because I think once you see this and you understand it, you're going to get really, really excited about it. So let me go ahead and fire this thing up. All right. So first and foremost, in case you don't know who we are, let me, there's some of our agents. We had an event here in Columbus, gave out t-shirts to some top people, that kind of thing. We have a good, I think, fun culture with what we're doing with the company. But what I'm going to tell you is what we're doing now, I think, is speeding up the process for not only what we're doing with paying people quicker with this new vertical, but it's opening the door for all of our other services. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do is we're going to fly through these slides. I'll slow down in the points that are most important, and I'm going to show you something that I think is going to help you financially. Okay, so what if I could show you a way where you could be your own boss, make your own hours, start part-time. There's no investment to be required to be one of our agents. You're going to be in business for yourself, but not by yourself. And what if there was immediate profit available? We're talking about getting immediate income with this vertical, okay? All you're going to have to do is this: refer any business to us about our business loans and funding. And if they go ahead and do it, you're going to get paid, okay? And I'm going to show you how the full details on that, okay? The other thing is I wanted to mention this, we do have other services. You can obviously engage and share those as well. Energy, waste, wireless are three of our main. Okay. Now, what if you also didn't have to have any experience? You don't have to have a license, and we give you training and we give you websites and everything for free. Okay, so you really are instantly, immediately engaged in our program. It's not that hard. A couple short training videos, just you give a brief understanding of what we're doing. And what if we had an entire team that onboarded your clients for you so that you didn't have to worry about it? Okay, so you don't have to know anything. You don't have to be an expert at this. You literally just have to bring up a topic to any business owner that might be interested in getting some funding for whatever project they might have going on. Okay, so that's really what we have to offer. Okay, so I'm going to show you some of this stuff. So the potential for great profit is referring business owners to our funding and service experts. So you're going to just kind of bird dog for businesses that are looking to get some funding. Okay. Now, the reason this is such a good vertical to be a part of right now is most businesses, in fact, 80% of small businesses and even large businesses get rejected by the banks because of the stringent things that they have to jump through to go through it with credit checks. And sometimes businesses just don't have capital that they can, which is what a lot of the banks require. We are revenue based. Okay, we're revenue based funding, so we are a solution to the 80% who can't get approved. This is real important you understand that. Literally, all we do is we've partnered with Bank Breezy, which is our portal. Okay, Bank Breezy is not necessarily quote unquote a company; they are our portal. We call it Bank Breezy because it's real simple. Now, here's how the process works. Let's say you run into a business owner who's looking to get some extra funding so that they can expand a restaurant and put on a patio. Okay, we can get up to $2 million in funding, but we're going to start with this on this first slide here. We can, let's say, get them for a small business up to $25,000 today, because we have had people that have submitted their applications in the morning, got the proposal back by the early afternoon, accepted them in mid-afternoon, and they got the funding before closing, like 4 or 5 in the afternoon. So that it can be that quick. You can get immediate approvals on your offer. It's 100% online process. And, as we go through the different scenarios of somebody paying back stuff, they can get, payoff don't have to worry about, getting your credit dinged again. And again, we can get the funds the same or next day. Okay. Most people are looking for, we average loans around 25 or so. There's easy, transparent terms. You have experts that we put you in charge of or with that gets the answers to all the business owners' questions. Okay. And as obviously, once you get one loan, you can obviously get more, and so on. So we have personalized account managers. Okay. So we can help also the gig economy workers, people who are very small business owners, such as maybe gig economy, like food delivery drivers, things like that, network marketers, that kind of thing. And we can also, obviously, I mentioned this earlier, large businesses up business owner that might be interested in this. You literally just give them your website. We set you up with a personalized website after you go through our kind of our quick onboarding and training. And then the client goes onto the form, clicks on it, and submits it. Once they've submitted it, it goes to the person or to our team of experts that goes through, looks at their credit, or not their credit, but looks at all the, the questions that they asked. Again, they're not super hard. They just have to go through and make sure that they are getting the revenue or generating the revenue that would, warrant a funding proposal, that kind of thing. And they don't, and there's no, you don't have to take the fund. You don't have to take it or anything like that, which is what it makes this so easy for people. Is a lot of people just get these, approved. They look at it and maybe they have it in the back burner. Maybe they're just thinking about it, or what could I get, that kind of thing. But then there's a lot of cases where we've had people that, hey, they have got to get some funding because maybe they're short on payroll. They had a freezer break or something big break at their business, and they have to get some funding quick. Okay. So we also obviously give, they pay you for, we pay you for your referral of these businesses. Okay. So we make these customers happy, and then we pay you quickly for the referral. Okay. So we're offering a solution for the 80% out there that are not able to go to the banks. Okay. So if you're looking for something, let me show you just exactly what we offer. It's a simple system. It's easy to learn because there's really nothing to it. We offer you the tools and the websites, and we even have postcards that we give you, that you can download, get them printed. And, they got your own QR code on there. It goes right to your website. We have some, small video trainings that we do, a resource center, and team leadership. Okay. So literally, to get started, all you have to do is go to bidpoint.co/capital-agents, complete the capital training. And we set you up with the website, as you go through the training, get you all up to speed, things like that. And you're literally good to go, even with your QR codes and so on. And I'm going to throw this out there. So that's kind of the end of the PowerPoint. What I want to do now is I'm going to jump out and go straight face to you again. We have been running a promo for the last month. We've now extended it for another month, to where we're not only paying you when a deal closes, and you can go through the training on, if you go to that page, you'll see exactly what the percentages are. We pay you like anywhere from 3 to 5% on whatever the loan is, which is a pretty substantial thing. However, with the bonus, we have a submission bonus that we've come up with, just kind of an incentive as well as a reward for doing the right activity, which is referring this to people, of $50. If you refer a business that fills out and properly submits a form, and that's all, and whether they take it or not, we pay you $50. And we've already been paying those out to people now that have been just submitting those things, regardless, again, if the deal closes or not. So we're incentivizing people to take action and get those cards out there, word of mouth, that kind of thing. So if you can think of any businesses that that need extra revenue, you can offer them something very substantial that can really be a benefit to them. And in addition to that, you're going to create maybe a secondary income by partnering with Bidpoint and becoming one of our capital agents. And we're going to hook you up and make sure you get taken care of financially when we do this, because we're having a lot of fun. Again, we're 9 years old. We've been doing this for a while. Funding just came out not too long ago, a few months ago, going very well. All of our other services are great. We have people that have actually been getting residual checks for years and years and years off of deals that they did way back when, which is pretty incredible. And that's what we're offering here. So anyhow, look us up wherever you see this video. It's probably, I'll have it recorded, posted on a YouTube channel, posted on our Facebook group, posted on mine, that kind of thing. There'll be links around there somewhere directly to the Capital Agent page, in case you forgot it or didn't write it down when I went through it. And we'll get you set up. So again, thank you very much for watching tonight. Appreciate you being out there and looking us up. And hopefully we can work together. So thanks, and we'll see you on the other side.